going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video. Today I'm doing a grapple switch on my little mini loader. There you go. This is the old grapple. This sucker here, I believe, is 42 inches. Let's see. So yeah, I was at 42 inches with this grapple. This grapple is great if you're doing logs. When I purchased this grapple, I wish somebody was to explain to me the different grapples and how they work. This is a great grapple for just logs, you know, that kind of heavier debris. The problem is this grapple does not open wide enough. I have posted a video on my tractor there. I switched grapples. I went to the brush grapple because the way it opens up. As you can see here from the side what I'm talking about. So you can't, even with the piston adjusted all the way up, it will not open anymore. I was going to resort to cutting some of this off, a couple of inches here, about 6 inches, so I get more of a brush in here. Like I said, it's great for logs. I can pick up logs without a problem. Brush, somebody actually has to stand right here and push down on a brush to get a nice load in, because you can't. I work on nice turf, nice grass, and the problem is, if I keep ramming this grapple into the brush pile, I'm going to mess up their lawn, and that's just not happening. So I had to switch to this one here, the clamshell. They open up a lot wider. But I'm going from a 42 to a 34, which doesn't really make a difference. I'm just going to be a little more narrow here, a little bit more nimble to get in small places. But again, what I'm going to end up losing is the way I pick up logs, because with this grapple here, it's so nice. It opens up wide. I can get a nice load of brush. But when you get to picking up logs, the problem is down here, and I haven't seen any on the market yet, but if they were to extend it about 6 more inches right here, these bottom teeth, it would be so much easier to pick up logs. This is a pain in the ass to pick up logs with this grapple, but I do more brush than logs, so I'm going to go with that one and stick with that one, because like I said, with this one, you constantly have to have somebody up front press down on a brush so you get a nice load in, and it's just a pain in the ass. And even when you get a nice load in the grapple, you know, trying to save time, when you pull up to your trailer, sometimes it doesn't want to dump all the way. You know, you can't get it out. You have to have actually somebody pull the brush out, and it is just a pain in the ass. So what I'm going to do now is show you, I'm going to switch the grapples and show you how much wider it opens up. As you can see, here's a side view. There's your side view. I'm going to switch grapples and show you the difference. But like I said, I wish, you know, when I started all this mess here, somebody was to explain to me the different grapples, because it is a pain in the ass. I have to switch them. I have to sell this one. It's just a pain in the ass. So hopefully it helps people out there. But again, do keep in mind, you're going from a grapple that can pick up logs and bigger debris very easily to only picking up brush. I mean, you can still pick up logs, but like I said, it's a pain in the ass because the logs have nowhere to sit. And I understand this has got 3,000 PSI grip, but still bigger logs, they are going to slip out because they are heavy when you're going over uneven terrain. But let me switch them out and continue the video. Okay, so here you go. Here's your side view, how much wider that opens up. As you could see, you could just pull up to the pile, grab it, opens up a lot wider. But again, you're going to have a problem with logs because you don't have a lip down there. But if you want to use this for brush, this is a great, because it opens up nice and wide. You can grab anything, and there's a huge difference. As you could see how wide it opens from the other one. It didn't come half of that, how wide. But yeah, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll be posting more videos about this grapple, and even posting some videos while I'm using it. But yeah, very happy. I use it on my big tractor, and I'm very happy with it. So we'll see how it does on this little one. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments, questions, leave them down below. I'll get back to you. See you.